Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics so you can act fast. Make sure your TikTok app is updated and you have the original audio file or a cleared replacement. This prevents automatic commercial flags. Once done, check account settings for sound permissions and your region. TikTok restricts tracks differently by location. Then, prepare to re-upload a compliant version. Trim the clip, remove commercial identifiers, and save it as MP3 or AAC. This first pass reduces the chance of immediate copyright blocks. You now perform the detailed editing that fixes commercial flags. Import the track into an editor, then trim to an appropriate length and re-encode at 128/320 kbps. This changes file fingerprints. Once done, remove any vocal tags or brand mentions and apply subtle EQ or a short fade-in to alter detectable markers. Avoid heavy effects that degrade quality. Export without metadata and rename the file, because embed tags can trigger filters. Make sure the final file you finish by uploading and validating the fix. Add the cleaned audio to a draft video or via TikTok sound uploader, then publish privately or as a draft to observe any commercial claims. Once you see results, make sure to monitor for takedown notices and view count limits. These indicate residual restrictions. If the audio is still flagged, shorten the clip further, swap to a royalty-free replacement, or submit an appeal with proof of rights. One troubleshooting tip: re-encode at a different sample rate if automated filters persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.